Hello guys, welcome back to SRK Tech Solution channel. In this video, we are going to unbox the Amazon Echo Dot. So before going to this video, if you like the video, hit the like button, do follow us on Instagram and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. This is the retail box of the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation, also known as Alexa. Here there are some features of Alexa and I'll be explaining it in the video. Here it is written that Alexa has thousands of skills to explore and this box contains Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation and a power adapter. Now let's unbox it. Here you can see the action button, microphone off and on button, volume up and down button. Here you can see the power output and a 3.5 mm AUX output.
Now let's connect it to the power.
So here you can see the light glowing.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
So guys, first you have to download the Amazon Alexa app from Play Store and the link is given in the description. So after downloading, you have to sign up with your email address and the Amazon password. So after signing in, you can see such interface and you have to allow the permissions. And now you have to click on Add Devices. And after that you can see such interface and you have to click Amazon Echo. So here you have to click the device which you have, and I am having the Echo Dot, so I am clicking on that. So here you have to click the Echo Dot which you have, and I am having the 3rd generation, so I am clicking on that. So now your Echo Dot setup is ready and you can pair it with your Wi-Fi network. So now it is successfully paired with the Wi-Fi and you can select the place where you are keeping it. So now the setup has been completed successfully.
Your Echo is ready.
So now it is completely ready, so let's start asking some questions.
Alexa, what is my name?
I'm not sure who's speaking, but you're in Shailendra's account. To teach me to recognize your voice, just say, Alexa, learn my voice.
So guys, by doing this process, Alexa can recognize your voice and she will be able to answer that what is your name.
Alexa, learn my voice.
Once I learn your voice, I'll be able to call you by name, tell you apart from others who use the Echo devices you speak to, and personalize your experience. First, I'll need your name. I found a few in this account. Say yes if you hear yours. Is this Shailendra?
Yes.
As part of learning your voice, I'll ask you to say 4 phrases to create a voice profile. Your voice will be stored in the cloud until you delete it in the app. Now you'll just need to repeat after me. Get ready. We are about to begin. First up, say, Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
Great. Now try, Alexa, play music.
Alexa, play music.
Great. Now try, Alexa, turn off the light.
Alexa, turn off the light.
And one more. Alexa, Add milk to my shopping list.
Alexa, add mute to my shopping list.
Okay, you're all done. Shailendra, it's great to put a name to the voice. I've sent information about your voice profile to the Alexa app. And if you'd like to help others get recognized on these devices, remind them to say, Alexa, learn my voice.
So guys, now Alexa has recognized my voice. Alexa, what is my name?
I'm talking to Shailendra. This is Shailendra's account.
So guys, if you want to mute it when it is not needed, you can press this mute button so that it becomes red and Alexa won't listen what you speak. For example, Alexa, how is the weather? So here you can see that it don't replies. So now I am unmuting it. Alexa, how is the weather?
In Surat, Tamil Nadu, it's 25 degrees Celsius with fog. Tonight, you can look for thunderstorms with a low of 22 degrees.
And Alexa can play music from Savan and Hangama music. And also it can sing. Alexa, can you sing a song for me?
It's not just my obsession, it's more than a reliance. We owe an awful lot to a little thing called science.
Alexa, volume 10.
Tonics and sediments, chemistry
Alexa,
formulates.
volume 1. Alexa, volume 5.
Astronomy looks to the cosmos and galaxy. Physics
Alexa,
knows matter.
stop. Alexa, play some non-copyrighted songs.
Non-copyrighted motivating and inspiring background music from Geo Savan.
Alexa, volume 5. Alexa, stop. If you want to pair your mobile with Alexa or Alexa with any other speakers, you should open Bluetooth and on your Bluetooth, and there you can connect to Alexa.
Now connected to Vivo X50.
Alexa, volume 10. Alexa, stop. So that's all for this video. If you liked the video, hit the like button, do follow us on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.